Yeah, good afternoon to everyone. Today with this video, I will aware the viewers about what is the unique advantage of chart pattern scanner in Spider software. I am Santosh Kumar Shetty from Hyderabad branch. We will have a tutorial on how to use the chart pattern scanner in Spider and what are the trades it got scanned in between the November 11th to November 15th of different case studies in the scanner, and how to take confirmation process by using the advanced chart setup in Spider software. Let's go into the application and understand it. Okay, viewers are seeing one scanner named Armoding Pattern Scanner. Here we are selecting the chart pattern. We selected a portfolio of Nifty 500 scripts. Of last 5 bars I kept it. Means from today now 19th November, in the last 5 bars, what all the scripts has been matched different chart patterns. It will get automated by running on the run button. I selected the periodical of daily on daily chart patterns. So we got a list of this many scripts out of 500, 21 scripts. We got different chart patterns in between the dates of last 5 days. Let's discuss how to find a opportunity in this chart pattern trades by using this setup which is being uploaded in the Spider software screen. Now, in order to make you simple and clear, I have been synchronizing the dates from ascending to descending order. For example, here I kept now date of descending. Now I kept the date of ascending. Okay, ascending. So we are seeing the 8th November, all different trades. So we will take few case studies on this video, then we will discuss. So I have selected a dates from 13th November to below dates. We'll discuss what all the script names got matched in these chart patterns with different pattern names, which trades we can get confirmed with this screen, which we should not be participated, with a stop loss and targets. We will discuss it. So let's have a view on. In the screen we are seeing one daily chart, one 60 minutes chart and one 4 hours chart. We kept a SIP synchronization here. Let's take a JK tire. We got pattern formed on 14th November 2024. Now I click the check a pair. We can see daily 64 hours. 14th, where is this is intraday chart of 60 minutes. 19th, 18th, 14th. So after 18th we have 3 days all days. So we got scanned on 14th evening or around 2 o'clock. You can run in the live market. So here on 14th, what I take confirmation to buy here or not. First I'll go and see this customized oscillator which is been designed in Spider software. If we are looking for a bullish mode on this chart pattern because of support of ABCD pattern formed, we seen that when red line is above white line it's a bullish, red line is below white line bearish. This is already in the bullish mode. So one confirmation. Second confirmation, we should go on the 4 hours chart. In the 4 hours chart, 14th here it's very important. On the day of the trade which we got confirmed, within 1 day before or 1 day after, there should be one confirmation in the price action. That is, there should be an higher high closing on 14th around 2 o'clock. The candle closing of the 115 is above its previous candle high. So higher high closing means closing above its previous candle high. So around it's confirmed at 365, the pattern has been formed. The price action also confirmed that there is an connectivity of higher high closing which bulls has taken the control, and in the oscillating behavior also got bullish. So it's indicating that it can have one immediate rally towards the upper end of the range. So JK Tires can move to upper end of the range of 395 from the range of 365 with a very particular small period of trading time. We got this moment. Let's discuss one more case of Anand Rathi. Anand Rathi, we got a trade on 13th. We will wrap up fastly. This one, 13th, this one. When the trade has got, the oscillators are still on negative mode. On 14th morning, the oscillator became on the positive mode, and the 14th afternoon, there was a higher high closing around 130. So we'll buy around this range confirmation. We got this rally towards the upper end of the range too. Let's have one case where we haven't got the confirmation also. Chemplast. Chemplast got scanned on 13th. Okay, 13th we got scanned. So in 16 minutes chart, 13th was this one. Here it is also, it's in oscillating behavior, is still on negative zone. Red line is below the white line. Red has became above the white line on 14th evening. On 14th evening we are at here. After 14th evening there is a no higher high closing before also and after also. So Chemplast, it looks it has got moved, but it's not a technical move where the traders will not be participating. The trade cannot be a good accuracy ratio. So the viewers got understood that how the technical analysis getting fine-tuned with chart setup, and how Spider Software is making you the efficient way of making the simplicity of the trade scanning through harmonic pattern scanners. I hope I've given the very good content to viewers with this video. This Santosh Kumar Shetty signing off from Hyderabad branch. Anyone being interested to talk on this one can connect me on this number. Thanking you.